Hello, CAP students. This is Mrs. Allen, Director of College and Career Readiness for Afton School District, but I also take care of dual credit for this CAPS program. Since you are in either biomedical, medicine, and healthcare CAPS or the advanced manufacturing and engineering CAPS, you are eligible for dual credit with St. Louis Community College. So let's talk about how you want to go about doing this if you want the college credit. Here are your choices. If you are in Mr. Knox's or Dr. Mihai's Advanced Medicine and Healthcare, you can get Bio 104, which is Basic Lab, or Bio 109, which is Human Biology. Human Biology is a Core 42, which means that it should transfer to any public university in the state of Missouri. Those are both $75. If you are in the Engineering and Advanced Manufacturing with Mr. Lubehusen, you get credit for GE 122, which is Engineering Design and Development. If you qualify for free and reduced lunch, you could be eligible for a Jump Start to College scholarship. Basically, if you are at 3.0 or higher, you can take up to 2 classes per semester, and your tuition is paid for through the scholarship. Normally, it is $25 per credit hour. To qualify for dual enrollment, you have to get written permission from your advisor or parent or guardian. That's going to be easy. Demonstrate your readiness, which this year a lot of that has been waived for you. Be a junior or senior with a 2.6 GPA or higher. This is unweighted. To do this, you have to apply to be a student. So you go to Stlcc.edu and you'll see on the application, you'll see a thing that says Apply Now. Click on that, go to the Highlight Application link, create a login with a pen, and write down that number just in case. This is only important to do this if you lose your way. Let's talk about it a little bit more. Make for certain that when you do your application, that you select your student type as dual credit. For the campus, put down Merrimack, and graduation day, put May 31st of whatever year you're going to graduate. Click Complete the application. You will see a bunch of check marks. Here's what the screen looks like. So make for certain you do dual credit, create your PIN, hit application type, make for certain it says dual credit, and then you'll fill out these forms. It talks about your name, your campus, your permanent address, your personal information, your information if you're a U.S. citizen, emergency contact, and the high school. You should see STL CAPS, but if you do not see it as your high school, you need to put down your home high school on this application. Whenever all these are completed, you'll see check marks on them saying that they are completed, as this screen shows. Then you're not done. Make for certain that you hit application is complete. If you do not, then your system, it will not show up that it is complete. Once you have that done, you will receive an email that's titled Admission to St. Louis Community College. Make for certain that you get that email because your next step is very important. You will have an A number in that email. Write it down, keep it safe somewhere. Without that A number, you will never be able to enroll in the dual credit. Then you go to this website and you hit Enroll in your course. Enter in your number, choose STL CAPS, then select your course. You will also need to put in your parents' email because they have to receive an email and consent that you are being able to do this. Once you have that, you can go to that bit, hit Dual Credit Class Request, put in your email, which is your CAPS email, and your date of birth, then select CAPS as your high school, and select your courses. Your application is now open. You have until September 4th to enroll and get your parents' approval. If your parents do not receive the email stating that they need to approve it, please have them look in their spam or their junk email. Remember, it takes 1 to 3 business days for you to receive your A number. So you need to do this, apply just as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please contact me at mallen@aftonschools.net or have your teachers to contact me. Thank you and have a great year.